Welcome to another episode of the Cryotos Maintenance Management Podcast. I'm Bruce, and today we're discussing a topic that's crucial for any modern maintenance team: workflow automation. To help us understand how this is revolutionizing the industry, I'm joined by Alex, a maintenance management and IoT expert. Welcome, Alex.
Thanks, Bruce. I'm excited to be here to talk about how automation is really changing the landscape for maintenance teams.
Let's start with the basics, Alex. What exactly do we mean by workflow automation in the context of maintenance management?
Workflow automation is about using software to automatically manage repetitive tasks like generating work orders, scheduling maintenance, and even sending notifications. The key benefit here is that it eliminates the manual effort required for these routine tasks, which not only speeds things up but also reduces the chance of human error. This approach allows maintenance teams to shift their focus to more strategic activities such as data analysis and long-term planning. It's about making the entire process more efficient and proactive.
Right, so it's not just about handling routine tasks faster, but also about ensuring that these tasks are done consistently and reliably.
Exactly. Automation ensures that no task is overlooked and that maintenance processes are executed with precision.
Now let's dive into the features that make this automation possible. What should teams be looking for in their CMS to support this level of automation?
There are several key features that are essential. First, automated work order generation is crucial. For instance, when specific conditions are met, like a sensor detecting that a piece of equipment is underperforming, the system can automatically create a work order and assign it to the right technician. This takes the guesswork out of maintenance scheduling. Another important feature is the automated scheduling of preventive maintenance. Instead of sticking to a fixed calendar, the system uses actual equipment usage data to schedule maintenance at the most effective times. This helps prevent unexpected breakdowns and extends the life of the equipment. And then there are automated notifications. These ensure that the right people are alerted when a task needs to be performed or when there's a potential issue that requires immediate attention. It keeps everyone in the loop and makes sure that nothing falls through the cracks.
That sounds like it really helps in maintaining a smooth operation, especially when you're dealing with a large number of assets.
Absolutely, Bruce. These features are designed to take the complexity out of maintenance management, ensuring that everything runs as smoothly and efficiently as possible.
Let's talk about the real-world impact. How does automation translate into tangible benefits for businesses?
Automation offers several key advantages. Firstly, it greatly improves efficiency. Routine tasks are completed faster and with greater accuracy, allowing the maintenance team to focus on higher-level tasks. This leads to reduced downtime since maintenance can be scheduled and executed more effectively, preventing unexpected failures. Additionally, with better data and visibility into maintenance operations, management can make more informed decisions. They can monitor asset performance in real time, adjust maintenance strategies on the fly, and allocate resources more effectively. All of this contributes to extending the lifespan of assets and reducing overall maintenance costs. However, it's also important to acknowledge the challenges. Implementing workflow automation requires an upfront investment in technology and training. Teams need to be comfortable with using the software, and there might be a learning curve as they transition from manual processes to automated ones. But the long-term benefits like improved efficiency and cost savings make it a worthwhile investment.
So while there's an initial hurdle in terms of setup and training, the payoff is a more robust, efficient maintenance operation.
Exactly. The initial investment in time and resources is quickly outweighed by the long-term gains. It's about setting your team up for success by giving them the tools they need to operate at a higher level.
Thanks, Alex, for sharing your insights on workflow automation. It's clear that by embracing these tools, maintenance teams can not only streamline their operations but also drive significant cost savings and asset longevity. For our listeners, if you're looking to take your maintenance strategy to the next level, exploring automation in your CMMS is definitely the way to go.
We'll be back with more expert insights in our next episode. Until then, I'm Bruce, and this has been Cryotos Maintenance Management. Thanks for listening.
Thanks, Bruce. It was great to discuss this topic. Looking forward to seeing more teams leverage these capabilities.